and welcome. Today's video we're unboxing the AIA Beauty Bundle box for November. This actually just arrived at my door at like 9 something in the morning, so I was like, perfection, let's go ahead and create a look with the goodies that are in here. So before we jump into information and all of that, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda and over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we play and make up, we review and sing. I'm a Gemini with ADHD, so keep it cute or put it on mute. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk real quick about what the AIA Beauty Bundle is. This is a monthly subscription. It actually used to be bi-monthly, but they've expanded and it is a monthly subscription. I believe code HOTMESS saves you 10% off your first box, so we love that. It's not an affiliate code. Now, each month is different. We've seen brands like Guy Tang, Pure Lise, Pharmacy, Rin Skincare do a total takeover. This month it is OFRA Cosmetics. So this box is going to be $38 every single month. If you want to cancel anytime, you definitely can. Quick update, code HOTMESS does save you 10%, but you do have to make sure in order to use my coupon, you've got to click the insurance button, so that way it like tracks it, insures it, and everything like that for you all. So just a little FYI, because I know sometimes you guys have tried to use the coupon and it doesn't work. So I reached out and I asked them and they said make sure that you have the tracking button clicked in order to save that money. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and then of course you're gonna get a card. Now this box is going to be valued every single month at at least $100 for that $38. Shows you everything in here, and then it does give you like the retail value of everything in the box as well. So the very first item, I've actually received it in a BoxyCharm a while back, so I'm not going to open this one. This I will set aside for a giveaway, a future giveaway. But this is what the palette looks like. I love the colors. I think it's really pretty. It does have a $28 retail value, and it is a pressed pigment eyeshadow palette, perfect for day or night. And it says the palette features 8 stunning shades. So let me show you up close. This is my palette, and this is what the shades look like. Very nice, very pretty. So, and I know I've created a look with this one before, so we'll do something of course today. Next in here we've got some brushes. The first brush is this $14 retail value highlighter brush, so that's nice because they also included a highlight, which I've actually never tried out OFRA Cosmetics highlighters. This does have a retail value of $20. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Doesn't that remind you of the ABH highlighter? Oh my gosh, from years ago. It was super popular. It looks like a baked gelée or something. That is so pretty. Has a bit of a golden undertone there. It does say that it's a liquid to powder formula, offers a glossy veil of a shimmer that glides on the skin, and it does not accentuate texture or fine lines. We love the lights, yay! Okay, so, and then next we have in here, ooh, for the juicy lips. This is the Plumping Lip Water by OFRA Cosmetics. So it looks like this could potentially come in different shades. It is a plumping lip water with a $20 retail value. It's an innovative hyaluronic acid infused lip plumper that uses temperature to visibly plump the lips. That's interesting. I don't really smell anything. Oh, it's pretty. It has like a tint. See if it has a tingle. I know some of y'all have asked like some plumpers that I would recommend for my lips. Now, like I always tell you all, when it comes to a lip plumper, if you are trying to get like the Kylie Jenner plumpity plump lips, you're gonna have to go to a doctor's office for that. You're gonna have to get like actual lip filler. But for me, I love personally to use a plumper to fill those tiny little lines in and just make everything nice and smooth when you're applying your lipstick. So I can feel the plumping happening. I don't feel like it's an over-the-top kind of burn. I really like the Too Faced lip injections, as well as OFRA has a plumping lip plumper as well that I really like. They have a clear one, they have a light pink one, and then they have a red one, kind of a little bit deeper than this one. And I just love lip plumpers for that reason. So you're gonna feel it a little bit. It is, you know, kind of stinging just a smidge, but like I said, I think if you're used to them and the more you use them, you definitely, that's just like the norm. So I like this. I appreciate that. I'm kind of bummed that there isn't one of their lip glosses in here, to be honest with y'all, because the last item in here, let me just double check. The last in here is the Alamar brushes. So we'll go ahead and use those today. These do have an $18 retail value. And this is another item that looks like it could come in different colors. So these are in pink. You may have received the green ones, which I think I have the green one. Yeah, I know I have the green ones because here's one right here. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump into the application process. For my base makeup, if you are curious what my base makeup is, it is all of my SEINT cream products. Absolutely love that. If you want a free color match, there is a link below. For blushers, I have my OFRA palette, specifically this blush shade. And then for my brows, I do have the Gerard Cosmetics brow pencil. Then I go in with the OFRA Don't Play brow gel. And then to tint my brows, you guys, this stuff is amazing. The Blink Mousse. This is in the shade Taupe, and it is an eyebrow mousse, and it's absolutely amazing. So the OFRA gel is clear, and I spike with that, and then I go back in with this to tint because I'm still recovering from the 90s, and on top of that I got thyroid issues. So I'm gonna prime my lids with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base right quick. Okay, so I've gone ahead and primed my eyes, and I will use the Alamar brushes. I'm gonna spritz them off right quick with some brush cleaner. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the first brush. There's no name on here, but I'm gonna jump in with this shade. Now, the difference in the palettes is the original has a mirror in here, and this one, I think that for a while there, weren't they sold in like Target or something? I think like doohickey. I think I'm crooked. Maybe that's better. Maybe it's not. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this brush, and if you've been with me for a while, you know I call it the tap tap dab dab method, and I'm just gonna lightly build that up. So I call it the tap tap dab dab method because I have slightly hooded lids and mature lids at that, so I find that it's easier if I just tap tap dab dab, building up the product, and then once I've built up the product, then I can start to kind of maneuver it around however I want it. Add a little underneath, help conceal some of them wrinkles and crinkles. I'm gonna jump in to this pinky shade real lightly and dab that right over just a smidge. It's kind of my funny way of blending. I'm gonna just tap that over real lightly and add a little bit underneath the eye as well. And then next, let's go in with, let's see, I'll switch the brush up. I think I kind of want to go in with this purple shade. That's really pretty. Let's see how it applies. Ooh, that's a lot. And I'm going to just dab it right, oh, that is so pretty, right on the lid. I am going to go in with my finger though. Oh, it's so nice and creamy, and just build it up with my finger. I think in the outer portion, I'm going to go in with that deeper purple and just real lightly kind of put it on the outer, but not all the way. Not where like the crow's feet are, just like 3/4 of the way, I guess you could call it. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade right here for the inner portion. But I'm going to switch my brush to the other, like more pointy, so I can really get in and then blend it into the lighter purple. And then let's go in with, I'm gonna go in with mixing this color and this orangier color and put that underneath. Okay, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna add some liner, some lashes, and I'll be right back. I want to show you all that the lipstick is, or the lip plumper is staying like this really pretty, like natural pink. So there's a little bit of like a tinted balm effect to it, you know? So I did add a little bit of my OFRA blush lighter in the shade Cherish. It actually comes in a set with the, oh, there's that lip plumper I was talking about in Juicy, but it comes in a set with Love together. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump into the highlighter, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm honestly surprised they didn't add any of their blushers in this collection, or even bronzer. Go ahead and lightly, ooh, that's pretty. Why did I think it would have like a scent? I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, that's like a candlelit glow. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some lip liner. And then I'm going to go back in with the Alamar Plumper, because I really like that color. And that is the finished look. So let's talk about this box. I think everything in this box performed beautifully. I like that we've got the brushes. The one thing, like I said, that I wish we had received was the blushers or the bronzers, because I really I love their blushers with OFRA Cosmetics. But I am happy to get to try out the highlighter. This, of course, was something that I've already received in a past. I think it was like a BoxyCharm base box or something, but it was still, you know, nice to, if you've never tried OFRA Cosmetics before, it was definitely nice to try out their eyeshadow formula. The nice thing with AIA Beauty Bundle box is the fact that they give you sneak peeks over on their Instagram, so definitely make sure that you are following them over there, because you're gonna see the month like prior sneak peeks of what brands are going to be in the box, or what brand is taking over the box. So I always recommend to make sure you're following AIA Beauty Bundle box over there. That way, if you're interested in the box, you can jump on it, you can get it. If you're not, no worries, you don't have to worry about getting it for the month. So if you guys have received this and you have created any looks with the Alamar eyeshadow palette, make sure to give me a tag over on Instagram. If you're not already following me, I would love for you guys to follow me over there as well. So anyways, let me know your all's thoughts down below. I really like this formula. I really like it. Like I told you all, I don't feel like it's an over-the-top stinger, but it definitely, like, I love the fact that it has this tint to it and it's not crazy sticky, so it looks almost like a gloss, but I don't know, it's not too much. So sorry if this video was a little like all over the place. There was some interruptions, but mom life, real life, hot mess, that's how it is. So anyways, make sure you're following me on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size curvy old fashion hauls. If I can get this video edited and uploaded in time, just FYI, it will be a double upload day for you all. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, turn on your notification bell, because like fingers crossed it actually notifies you all. But anyways, I am uploading all the time over here, fun different kinds of makeup content. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'm gonna have some videos planned. One is gonna be an old school playlist, and one just a random video. Before I end today's video, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.